Hello, welcome back to Think Wonky. My name is Colette Stevenson and today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom Canva frames in Photoshop. For the purposes of today, let's say we're going to create a banana frame. Go to your search bar, type in banana, and then select the banana shape that you desire. Perhaps this one, this one. You can even select a photograph. Let's go with the first one and download as a PDF. Next, simply open up your banana PDF in Photoshop. Once your file is open, go to your Object Select tool. If you can't see it, it might be under your Magic Wand tool, your Quick Selection tool. Select your layer and your Object Selection tool and click. Once you've got your marching ants, you simply right click, make a work path, and OK. At this stage, a really good thing to do is to create a folder for your shapes. The best way to do this is to go to Window, Shapes. Where you've got this little folder here, simply click and create a new group or a new name for your folder. I want to save all of my shapes in Canva Frames. With your work path highlighted, go to Edit and simply select Define Custom Shape. I'm going to type in Canva, Canva Banana, since that's where my licensing is held, and go OK. Now you can see in group 1 I have this banana shape. Next I'm going to create a new layer and hide the original layer. And I can delete the work path, I don't need it anymore. Go to your Custom Shapes tool and in the top icon at the top, scroll down to select your new shape. Then click and drag to create your shape. You'll notice that as you move the cursor, the proportions of the shape vary quite dramatically. If you want to maintain the exact proportions of the original shape, simply press Shift while you're clicking and dragging. A key thing to note at this point is to make sure that stroke is turned off. Now go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it on my computer and we're going to save it as a Photoshop PDF and save. I might create a new folder actually. Let's do Canva Frames. There we go, create and save. Now we just upload it back to Canva. I'm going to create a new page here so that you can see. There's my banana shape. I'm going to drag that into here and you'll notice that it uploads into your designs. It won't upload into your uploads, so you'll probably need to create a new folder in your designs for all of your frames. Now you'll notice that when it's up here it doesn't look like it acts as a typical frame. However, just wait till you see this. Click and it will fill the page. Click again and it selects just the element. Now delete the color. You can now add in any background or even any video that you desire. You can follow those exact steps with any element, whether that's a graphic element, an illustration, text, or a photograph. You're not limited to single elements. You can create a whole range of frames and get quite creative. For example, maybe I could have some different strawberries. You'll notice because it's 2 elements, it's only selected one object. If I want to add another object, I press Shift and click. Now both elements are highlighted. If you notice a chunk is missing, you can just come into Select and Mask and fill in the missing bit. Right click, make work path and OK. Edit, define custom shape. The beautiful thing about this is that each element is not treated individually. Any video or image that you upload will behave in both elements as though they are one. You can create text frames in much the same way. Type your text in the font that you wish to use and come to the Magic Wand tool. Select one of the letters, come to Select and select similar, and this will highlight all of the elements in the same colour. And then just follow the steps. Make work path and define custom shape, save as PDF, upload to Canva. Using this strategy and a combination of other strategies, the world is your oyster when it comes to creating Canva frames and elements. You can even import logos, icons or illustrations from Illustrator. Copy and paste. And with the magic wand tool, again, just select all the parts of the design that you wish to turn into a frame. As you can see, there is one I made earlier. If you enjoyed this or found this useful, please let me know in the comments, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time to look at more ways in which you can make your content shine.